Up guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn a zombie villager into a normal villager. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do is go to your crafting table and use a spider eye, a mushroom, and a sugar, and get a fermented spider eye. Then you're just gonna add blaze rods and you're gonna get blaze powder from it. Next, what you're just gonna do is you're gonna take your apple and add gold ingots on all of its sides to turn it into a golden apple, just like this. Next, you're gonna go to your brewing stand and you're gonna feed it your blazing powder, then your eye, and then you're just gonna add your water bottles, just like this, and wait for it to cook. Okay, next what you're gonna do is after getting your potion of weakness from doing the eye, you're gonna add your gunpowder to it and let it cook also. Okay, you guys can see that I have now gotten splash potion of weakness, so I'm just gonna take one, and here I have my golden apple, and this is the splash potion of weakness. So first I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit the zombie with the splash potion of weakness just like this. Next, I'm gonna give him an apple, and as you can see, he has started to vibrate. Note this only works on villagers that have a profession. So after about 2-3 minutes, he's gonna turn into a regular villager. So let's see. If you put a bed, it speeds up the process. So I'm just gonna skip to the part where he turns to a normal villagers. Okay. Here you guys can see he has turned back into a normal zombie. So that's pretty much for this video. If you guys like it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Another tip is when he is transforming back into a normal villager, you have to protect it from other mobs. So that's it for today. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.